Hi, I'm Sandy Green, and this is my introduction video to the Utilization of Technology in the Classroom course. My story, I'm a Nebraska native, born and raised, and after graduating college, I began a music teaching career in Nebraska for 4 years, and then I moved to Oakley, Kansas. I taught there for a while, and I taught 5 through 12 band. And after about 8 years in Kansas, I decided to move to Colorado Springs, and I've lived here for about 18 years. I enjoy the outdoors of Colorado with hiking, camping, canoeing as outdoor hobbies and activities. I am a musician, and I play alto saxophone and a small jazz combo at coffee venues around town when I do have time. I also enjoy traveling and going to live music concerts around the area. My career story, currently I teach beginning and intermediate band and orchestra at 4 elementary schools in Colorado Springs School District 11. Previously, I've taught high school, middle school, and elementary bands, as well as K through 8 general music. My current classroom situation, um, it's tight because of this space in schools. I teach in 4 schools. 2 of those schools I have my own classroom, and one school I actually teach band on the stage, and one school I have to teach under the stage. There's a small room with under the stage, so it's pretty tight there. Because of the space and the lack of funding, I have limited technology resources in my classroom. However, I do use music writing software, and I also use internet accompaniment music to teach with. My reflections about technology in the classroom. I believe that technology that students can utilize the following for technology: PCs, laptops, iPads, smart boards, internet search engines, online gaming, Facebook, FaceTime, Twitter, and I think the list goes on. There's just a lot of technology that students can have access to. And the benefits students receive from technology use: they can engage in active and or real-time learning. Um, they are able to um, work on simulation and modeling of whatever they're studying. Develop communication with internet web groups and communities. They can develop problem-solving skills and develop higher level thinking skills. My classroom technology for band and orchestra basically consists of laptop and stereo. I use Sibelius music notation software. Sometimes we are able to do GarageBand composition software, and we also can use, I've used in the past, iPod and iPad music storage. My plan of action to improve or enhance current technology practices within my curriculum. Step 1, apply for grant monies to be applied to purchasing relevant and up-to-date technology for music education. Create a music technology class geared specifically to teach students how to utilize technology specific to music. Attend professional development training geared specifically for teaching students how to utilize music technology. And foster a technology-wise school community. Funding to purchase relevant and up-to-date technology, apply for appropriate grants, hold community fundraisers, ask local businesses for donations, and ask the School District Board of Education to assist in purchases of needed technology for the school buildings. I believe technology is a wonderful tool, a wonderful educational tool, and is there to shape and change our educational future. Technology is ever changing and shaping our world culture. And thank you for watching my video.